Now, as you can see here, this is our exercise question, exercise 11.1. In each of the following, give the justification of the construction also. We need to give the justification also. We need to solve this question. How to do this, you see. Draw a line segment. What's the question? Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter drawn garnu are and divide it in the ratio this and measure the two parts. It's very simple. Okay, I'll just show you directly the answers, and then I'll explain you. Okay, it's here. You see here. A line segment of length can be divided. It's given that we need to divide it in the ratio 5:8, right? So a line segment को length कति दिएको थियो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ suppose this is my line segment, it is of length. Okay, let me draw straight. This is my line segment, it is of length 7.6 नि. Draw with your scale, okay? And then हामीलाई चाहिँ 5:8 ratio मा divide गर्नु छ हैन, दिएको छ 5:8 ratio मा divide गर्नु छ 5:8 ratio मा. So draw a line segment AB. First यो line drawing गरेर चाहिँ यसलाई AB भन्यौं भने हामीले suppose A यो B, okay, and draw a ray A यो A देखि एउटा रे ड्रा गर्नु पर्यो. कस्तो रे ड्रा गर्नु पर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ you need to make acute angle. Make an acute angle with this one. Acute angle means less than 90, greater than 0. Acute angle बनाउनु पर्यो. Making an angle with acute angle with line segment AB यो भयो step 1. Step 2 मा के छ भन्दाखेरि look at 13 points. We need to look at 13 points because it is given in the ratio 5:8. Now you see here it's given, right? I have drawn a ray AX and then यहाँ 5:8 ratio दिएको छ. What you need to do is take add 8. You need to add 8 plus 5. Add गर्नु पर्यो. Add गर्दाखेरि कति आउँछ 13 हैन. So make 13 points as I have told you earlier here. मैले अघि सिकाएको छु धेरै बार. 3 4 5 6 7 मेरो हटेन 8 9 10 11 12 13. I've marked 13 points. यहाँ मार्क गरेको छ. हेर्नु यहाँ सानो ट्रायंगल दिएको छ, देखिएको छैन, it's not clear. So 13 point मार्क गरेर चाहिँ what you need to do is you need to make this one A1 अरे यो चाहिँ A2, likewise A3 A4 A5 A6. okay, you चाहिँ I'm unable to write here because the space is so small, right? You can understand. And then all these should be equal here. A1, this should all be equal to each other. And then what you need to do is you need to join this your last code B13. You need to join this A13 here, which is here. This is A13 and this B. You need to join this. After joining this, make an arc here. So I'm making big arc here. Make an arc here and then take a point 5 1 2 3 4 5 number my yo. This is A5. Okay. Then with the same measurement, make an arc here and then take this distance. Which distance you need to take is take you need to take this distance and then make an arc here. After making this arc, you A5 you need to draw like this. It should be parallel, okay? Mirror parallel line because I'm doing with rough hand with hand only, because of that it should be parallel like this. This arc should be parallel, and then it should be parallel like this. This arc should be parallel, and then this is your required triangle. This is your required triangle. Let me show you with big one. This is your required triangle. This is your required triangle. A dash, yo B dash. You can say this B dash, and this is C. Okay. This is A. A B dash C. This is your required triangle. You need to do this in your copy with clean pencil. Okay. Don't use pen for this. You can see here. It's done here, but then it's not clear. You can understand, right? It's very simple only, and then you can see this type of construction very simple. At last, it's given here. You need to justify the construction. How to justify? As I've told you earlier, using the proportionality theorem, we can do this by, you see here, by applying basic proportionality theorem. It's being done here, right? So you can do this by applying the proportionality theorem. It's very simple. If you can't understand, then you can ask me. AC by BC equal to you. The very simple. Okay, manu. Yeah, AC. Yeah, this is AC. AC by CB will be somewhere here, and then you need to it should be equal to A5. A5 is here, and then A5 to 13. This one, see this one, it should be equal to this. using this as equation 1 and making another equation 2, it's 5:8 दिएको छ. A5 will be A5 A13 will be equal to 5:8 as it is given in the question also, and then we have proven using the construction also. Okay, after this comparing, when you compare you will get AC by CB will be AC by CB will be 5/8. Okay, hope you understand. Hello everyone, now we shall be doing question number 2 of your NCERT book. Okay, the question is to construct a triangle of side such and such and a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. To do this, first what we have is, let's see, what we are given is that okay what we are given is that one side is given 4 centimeter. One side is given 4 centimeter, right? This side is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Let me tell, this is A, this is B. Another side is given 5 centimeter. So what you will do is keep your tip of the compass at point A and make an arc by your compass taking 5 centimeter. By the same step, keep the tip of the compass at B and take 6 centimeter and make an arc. After this, what you will do is you join this line from A, okay, to that point in the arc, and from B to that point in the arc. After this, what you will do is you'll get something like this. We tell this point as C. Okay, this point is C and this is 5 centimeter. AC is 5 centimeter. AB is 6 centimeter. After this, your next step, what you need to do is you need to draw a triangle similar to this triangle whose sides are 2/3 of this triangle. 2/3 of this triangle. So what you will do is you will take a ray from AX. From A, you take a ray like this. You take a ray like this, you tell that this is X. You need to mark 3 points on this ray AX. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me draw another one. Okay, 1 second. This one. After that, what you need to do is you name these points as how you need to make this arc is that you need to this should be A1, okay, this is A2 and this is A3. Here A1 should be equal to A1, A2 should be equal to A2, A3. You need to take by your compass. You need to keep your tip of the compass at point A first and make an arc. Again you keep your tip of the compass at A1 and make an arc with the same measurement, okay. After that, what you will do is since in the ratio 2/3, right, numerator is smaller than the denominator, so the triangle which we are to construct should be smaller than this triangle. So what you will do is you will join this A3B. Second, join this A3B. After joining A3B, what you will do is you will make an arc from A3 like this. With the same measurement, keep your tip of the compass at A2 and make an arc like this. After making an arc, what you will do is you will measure the distance from so what you will do is you will join this A3B. Second, join this A3B. After joining A3B, what you will do is you will make an arc from A3 like this. With the same measurement, keep your tip of the compass at A2 and make an arc like this. After making an arc, what you will do is you will measure the distance from here to here. After that, with that distance, you make an arc here. After that, you will get a line which is parallel to A3B. From this A2, you join to that arc, okay, and then you'll get a line something like this, which should be parallel to A3B, okay. And then let's name this line as B this. And then with that same step as you have done in downside. You make an arc at B like this, keeping your tip of the compass at point B, and then you make an arc at B dash like this with that same measurement as B, and then you measure the distance from here to here, and then with that distance you make an arc here like this. After making this arc, you join your line to that point, and then you'll get a line which is parallel to BC. Okay, my arc is not matching there with something, but you can adjust. Right, I'm doing with my free hand, so I'll get something like this, and then this line should be parallel to BC. Let's say that line is, let's say C dash. Okay, this is C dash. Your required triangle is, what is your required triangle? Okay, your required triangle is, let me do with yellow. Your required triangle is this one, A B dash C dash is your required triangle. Okay, we have done this. Now you understand till here, right? This is okay. Here steps are given, you can look these steps, and then here I have written this one also, you can see this also. Okay, what you will do is, now justification is given here, how to justify this construction. Okay, you can see this justification, then it's very simple only. If you have proven that all this ratio, all this, one second, if you prove that AB dash equal to 2 by third of AB, B dash C dash equal to 2 by third of BC, and AC dash equal to 2 by third of AC, then you have proven this construction. Okay, so this is proven here by equation 1 and 2. You see, it's very simple. If you didn't understand from here, then you can ask me. Okay, I've shown you how to draw the figure, right, by the way. Okay, thank you. So now we shall be doing question number 3 of your NCERT book. Okay, the question number 3 says that we need to construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm, and 7 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. First thing what we need to do is we need to construct a triangle whose sides are 5 cm, 6 cm, and 7 cm. To do this, what will I do is, I will take a base first. I'm taking my base here. Let's say this is A, this is B. After this, let's say this is 5 cm. From A you take 6 cm by your compass and make an arc. From B also you take 6 cm by your compass and make an arc. Okay, let me make this line a little smaller. B, make an arc. From B you take 7 cm, from A you take 6 cm and make an arc. After this, you join your A to that arc, and then your B to that arc like this. After that, name this as C. This is 5 cm, this is 6 cm, this is 7 cm. After this, your next step is you make a ray from A. This should be like this. Name this as X. Now at AX you mark 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've taught you how to mark, right? Keep your tip of the compass at point A and make an arc. Let's say this is A1. Keep your tip of the compass at point A1 and make an arc with the same measurement. Similarly at A2, A3, A4, A5, 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 A6, A7. Okay, hope you understand till here, right? After this, it's given in the ratios. We need to draw a triangle in the ratio 7 by 5. Since the numerator is greater than the denominator, the triangle which we are to construct should be greater than this triangle ABC. Now, I will join 7 by 5, right? So I will join A5B. Join A5B. After joining A5B, what you will do is make an arc from A5 like this. I'm sorry, it's not an arc. Make an arc from A5 like this. From A7 with the same measurement, make an arc. Measure the distance from here to here and make an arc here. After that, what you will do is you join your A7 to that arc so that it would be parallel to line A5. Okay, so that it would be parallel to line A5B. My arc is not similar here. Okay, let me rub this. Arc should be something like this. Okay, like arc should be something like this, so that this line should be, let's say this is B dash, A7 B dash should be parallel to A5B. After that, you extend your line AB. It will meet at B dash. After this, you make an arc at B like this. Make an arc at B, and with the same measurement make an arc at B dash. Measure the distance from here to here and make an arc. After that, you join your B dash to that arc so that it would be parallel to CB. Okay, sorry, this is not parallel. Okay, so that it would be parallel to CB. Yes, BC or CB, it's same. After this, you extend your line AC. Extend your line AC. After extending your line AC, you'll meet this line at here. Name that point as C dash. Okay. Now your required triangle is A, C dash, B dash is your required triangle which we were asked to draw in the question. Hope you understood how did I did right. If you didn't understand, then ask me privately also, it's fine. Okay. This you can take the snapshot of this, you can see, and justification is given here. It's very simple only. If you didn't understand, ask me. First look by yourself. Justification is very simple. Look by yourself. If you didn't understand, ask me. Here also it is, take the snapshot. Okay, done. Go with question number 3. Okay, now we shall be doing question number 4 of your NCERT book. Okay. Now the question says that we need to construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1 by 2 times the corresponding side of this isosceles triangle. Okay. Now how to do this? Let me do for you here. The sides given were, one side was given 8 cm, one side was given 8 cm, another was given 4 cm, and the ratio was 1 by 2. Okay. Now first what I'll do is, okay, first what I'll do is, you draw a line. This should be 8 cm. Tell this is A, tell this is B. You make an arc from A like this, from B like this, so that it should make a perpendicular line with the line, it should be perpendicular to this line AB, and it should intersect at the middle. Okay. You need to do by your instrument. I'm doing here with my free hand. Okay. Okay. After this, what you will do is, you join your A to that point and B to that point. Okay. After this, you measure the distance. Let's name this as D. You measure the distance from D till somewhere up, where you will get 4 cm, because from here to here it should be 4 cm, right? So you measure 4 cm and you'll get a point C here, where it is 4 cm, and that ABC should be your isosceles triangle. Okay. Now let me rub all this. Okay, I'm rubbing again, and then we'll do again. I have shown the triangle. Now we will do directly. Here was a triangle. Here was a triangle. Let me do the triangle. Okay, let me do little above. This is the triangle. Okay. This is A, this is B, this is C. I'm naming it differently, you can understand, right? And after that, you make a ray from B. After making a ray from B, you name this as X. And then it's given in the ratio 1 by 2. You can write this as 3 by 2. Because 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Okay. Okay, let me draft the above portion. 3 by 2 ratio, so you can understand. If you didn't understand, then ask me privately. Now, mark 3 points on BX because it was in the ratio 3/2. Among 3 and 2, 3 is greater, so we should mark 3 points. Okay, let's name this as B1, this is B2, and this is B3. After that, since it was in the ratio 3/2, the triangle which we are to construct should be greater than this triangle because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now, I'll join B2C. Join B2C. Yes. After joining this, you extend your line BC. Yes. After, let's name this as B1, this is B2, and this is B3. After that, since it was in the ratio 3/2, the triangle which we are to construct should be greater than this triangle because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now, I'll join B2C. Join B2C. Yes. After joining this, you extend your line BC. Yes. After extending your line BC, you make an arc. You make an arc from B2 like this. With that same measurement, make an arc at B3, and then you measure the distance. You measure the distance from this point to this point, and you make an arc here. After making an arc there, you join your line to that arc, B3 to that arc, so that it should be parallel to BC. Here it's not similar, but then you can understand. Okay, let me drop this one and let me do again. It should be like this. Okay. It should be like this, so that it should intersect exactly at that point, and you should, by your scale, you should pass through that point. Okay. After this, what you will do is, you name this as C dash. You make an arc from point C, and with that same measurement, make an arc from C dash. And then, you measure the distance from here to here, and then, with that same distance, you make an arc here. After that, you join your C dash to that arc, like this, and then you'll meet somewhere at AB extended. When you extend AB, you'll meet somewhere there. Okay, this line. And then, let's name this point as A dash. Now, okay. Now the required triangle here is, which we need to construct. Let me do by big one. Let me do by blue. Okay, blue. The required triangle is this one. A dash, B, C dash is the required triangle which we were asked to draw in the question. Okay. Now, here are some notes. You can see this. Here justification is given. It's very simple only. Justification is given here. If you didn't understand, then ask me. Justification, you can ask me privately. Okay. It's very simple. Just we need to prove by the proportionality theorem. Okay. And then here, question number 4 completed. Okay, fine. So now we shall be doing question number 5 of your NCERT book. Okay. The question number 5 says that we need to construct a triangle ABC. Which side BC is this much? AB is with side BC equal to 6 cm, AB equal to 5 cm, and angle ABC should be 60 degree. Then we need to construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Now, okay, the question is these are the measurements given, and then we need to, after drawing this triangle ABC, we need to draw a triangle similar to this triangle ABC, whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Okay, to do this, I am first taking a base like this. Okay, this is my triangle, this is my base. I'm naming this as B, this is A, and this length is given in the question 5 cm. 5 cm. Now, angle ABC should be 60 degree, means that angle B should be 60 degree. To make angle B 60 degree, you see the procedure carefully here. Okay, you make an arc from B like this. Keep your tip of the compass at this point. You see I'm marking here from at this point and make an arc with that same measurement. Now you join that line B to that arc like this exactly, and you will get 60 degree. Here it is not 60 degree because I'm doing with my free hand, but if when you draw by your instrument, you'll get 60 degree. This is 60 degree. After drawing this, what you will do is, you will take BC. Let's say this is C here. Okay, BC, suppose you measure 6 centimeter from here, you got somewhere here C. Then this would be 6 centimeter, and if you join your line A to that C, you'll get triangle ABC. Simple. Now you draw a triangle similar to this triangle. Let me do here. The triangle which we have just now was like this. Okay, join this one, join that one, something like this. And this is A, B, C. Now, the ratio is given 3/4. We need to construct a triangle similar to this triangle ABC, and the ratio 3/4. 3/4 means that the numerator is 3. 3 is smaller than 4. That means the triangle which we are to construct should be smaller than this triangle ABC. माइन्डमै सोच्नुपर्छ यो चाहिँ आफै अगाडि नै गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि. अनि त्यहाँबाट बीबाट एउटा रे लानु हो. बीबाट एउटा रे लगेर चाहिँ यसलाई बीएक्स भनिदिनु, यसलाई एक्स भनिदिनु. त्यहाँबाट यहाँ 3/4 छ, मतलब कि 4, 3 and 4 मा कुन ग्रेटर हो? 4 is greater. सो के सोच्नु भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ माइन्डमा 4 points should be marked here. Very simple. You mark 4 points here. 4 points mark गरिसकेर नाम दिनु यिनीहरूलाई. B1, B2. Okay, 1 second. B2 दिनु यिनीहरूलाई. B1, B2. Okay, 1 second. B2, B3, B4. यसको बादमा B4A लाई जोइन गर्नु. B4A लाई जोइन गरिसकेपछि point B4 बाट एउटा arc, and then with the same measurement you take the arc from B3 at B3. Now you measure the distance from here to here and make an arc here like this. After making an arc there, you join B3 to that arc like this. You will get a line which is parallel to B4A. Let's name that point as this. After that, you make an arc from A. With the same distance, you make an arc at this. You measure the distance from this point to this point, and then you make an arc here. And you join your line to that arc like this. You should get a straight line. It should be parallel to the line AC. After that, you name this point as C dash. Now, yes, we have divided the triangle A dash, B dash, A dash, C dash, B in the ratio 3/4 corresponding to the triangle ABC. Hence, the required triangle is, which is the required triangle? This one. This is the required triangle which we were asked to draw in the question, okay? Here is the answer, notes, justification. You see this? Take this snapshot if you didn't understand. Okay, now we have question number 6 of your NCERT book of the chapter construction, okay? The question number 6 says us to, okay, let's read the question first. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC 7 cm, angle B 45 degree, angle A 105 degree. Then we need to construct a triangle whose sides are 4/3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC, okay? To do this, first one press, okay, fine. To do this, what I'll do is, first I need to take a triangle ABC. 1 second. Okay, first I need to take a triangle ABC. I need to draw with side BC 7 cm, angle B 45 degree, angle A 105 degree. Now, what you need to do is, we need to draw a triangle ABC, ABC, so that angle B should be 45 degree, angle B should be 45 degree, angle A should be 105 degree, and then BC should be 7 cm. To do this, what we know that in a triangle, the three sides of a triangle should be equal to 180 degree. So we will use this concept here. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree in a triangle. We know this. So we'll use this concept here. Okay. what we will do is, angle A is given in the question 105 degree. Angle B is also given in the question 45 degree. And then let's find angle C from here. Angle C equal to 180 degree. You do here. Okay, so after this, you find angle C from here. Angle C will be 180 degree minus 150 degree, because 105 plus 45 degree will be 150 degree. After this, you will get angle C equal to 30 degree. Fine. We got angle C equal to 30 degree, right? Now you take the measurement here. Angle C equal to 30 degree, angle B equal to, given in the question, that is 45 degree, and then let's keep aside angle A for some time. Now what we will do is, you see here, I'll take a base like this. Okay, let me take this much long. Okay, I'll take a base and then I'll name this as BC. Let's say that this is 7 centimeter, because it is given in the question that BC is 7 centimeter. After this, you know that angle B is 45 degree. So to draw 45 degree, what we need to do is, I'm doing here lower side. Okay, you see here, this is BC, suppose. Now to make B 45 degree, what I'll do is, I will make an arc. I'll make an arc by keeping the tip of the compass at point B like this. Okay, it's getting a little smaller. Let me do something else here. What I'll do is, I'm doing here. Okay, this is BC, suppose. And then keep your tip of the compass at point B and make an arc like this. You extend your line BC. Something else here. What I'll do is, I'm doing here. Okay, this is BC, suppose. And then keep your tip of the compass at point B and make an arc like this. You extend your line BC like this. After this, what you will do is, you from this point and this point, you make an arc here, and then you will get a straight line from the point B to that arc. Okay, from that point to the arc, you will get a straight line here. This should be 90 degree here. It should be 90 degree. After making this one 90 degree, we need angle B should be 45 degree. So to make 45 degree, what we will do is, you see here, I'm doing with white again. From this one and this point, you can see from the marker, and from that 2 points, I'm drawing an arc like this. After drawing an arc, you join your B to that arc. You will get exactly 45 degree. You need to do this by your protractor and compass. Okay, I'm doing here with my free hand. This should be 45 degree. Okay, like this. You need to make angle B 45 degree here. I was showing how to do down below. You make your angle B 45 degree here, like I did below. Okay, this is 45 degree. Now angle C, which I have taken out before, it is 30 degree. So to make angle C for 30 degree, I'll do here again, down. Okay, I'll show you. Give me a second. Okay, so to show angle C as 30 degree, I've drawn a line. After drawing a line, let's say this is BC. You make an arc from C like this, keeping the tip of the compass at point C. Now with that same measurement, you make an arc from this point. Okay, from this point you make an arc here. After that, you join your C to that line. You'll get something like this. Okay, actually I'm drawing here with my free hand. You'll get something like this, and this is your 60 degree. Likewise, you do, and you'll get your 60 degree above for angle. Oh my god, I did 60 degree, right? We need to take 30 degree. Okay, fine. We have done 60 degree. Now from here we need to take 30 degree. To take 30 degree from here, what you will do is, you keep your tip of the compass at which point, I'll tell you it here. Keep your tip of the compass here once. Keep your tip of the compass here once. Okay, at this point it was like this, right? Keep your tip of the compass here once and then at here once. From there, you make an arc like this. Fine. And you join your C to that arc like this. You will get 30 degree each on both sides. This is 30 degree. this is 30 degree. Hope you understand how did I did, right? So now I'll do above. You see here, from here I've drawn 30 degree. From angle C I'll be taking 30 degree, and then I'll join to that line B, to that line somewhere there. Let's say that is A, okay, something like this. Here, let's say that is A, okay, something like this. Let's say that is A. Okay, fine. This is 7 centimeter. This is 45 degree, and angle B is 45 degree. Angle C is 30 degree. Now if we measure angle A from here, it will be 105 degree. After drawing this triangle, we need to construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times of this triangle ABC. To do that, let me draw the lower portion first. Okay, I'm rubbing. Okay, after this, you take a ray from B. Take a ray from B like this. Okay, let me use another color here. Take a ray from B like this. Okay, after this, name this point as X. It is given in the ratio 4 by 3. So the numerator is greater than the denominator. So from here you understand that the triangle which we are to construct should be greater than this triangle ABC. Okay, and then it is given in the ratio 4 by 3. So I'll take 4 points on this line BX. 1, 2, 3 points. You know how to take, right? I've been doing from before. After taking 4 points here, let's name this one by one. This is B1, you say B2, okay, B2, B3, B4. After this, you join your B3. Join your B3 to C. Next step. After this, your next step is make an arc from B3. With that same measurement, make an arc from B4. You measure the distance from, I'll tell you from where to where. From this point to this point, and then you make an arc here. After making an arc there, you join your B4 to that arc. You will meet somewhere like this, which should be parallel to BC. It's not exactly here because I'm drawing with my free hand. Okay, it's something like this. And then you'll meet your B4, that line at BC extended like this. Let's name this as C dash. Now with the same procedure, keep your tip of the compass at point C and make an arc here. After that, you make an arc at C dash with the same measurement from this point. And then you measure the distance from this point to this point. And then you make an arc here like this. After making an arc, you join your line to that arc, C dash to that arc. You will meet somewhere here which should be parallel to AC. And you extend your line AB, okay? And then you'll meet somewhere here. After this, you'll meet your line somewhere there. You name that point as A dash. Now the required triangle is A dash B C dash. Okay, it's very simple. You see, it's given here also the answers. You can see from here stepwise. Justification is also given. Okay, fine. You can see from here. If you didn't understand anything, then ask me privately. Okay, now we shall do question number 7 of your NCERT book of the chapter construction. The question says to draw a right triangle in which the sides other than hypotenuse are of length 4 cm and 3 cm. Then we need to construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of given triangle. To do this, what I'll do is here, it's given a right triangle. To draw a right triangle whose sides are 4 cm and 3 cm other than the hypotenuse. Suppose this is the triangle. This is 4 cm, this is 3 cm, and this hypotenuse is not given. We need to draw a triangle. This should be a right triangle. Is it fine? So to do this, what I'll do is, let's make that short one here. Let's say this is 4, this is 3, this is hypotenuse, right? A, B, C. Is it fine? Now let's draw the triangle here. Let's draw the triangle here. First I will take base. Base I took how much? Oh yes, this is the base. This is 3 centimeter. I'll say that it is 3 centimeter. I'm doing from this lower portion you see there. After that I need to draw 90 degree because this should be 90 degree, right? So you see, after this I need to draw 90 degree here. I've taught you to do 90 degree in the last section also. Let me do here. Okay, wait 1 second. There was a triangle, right? I was trying to draw a triangle with this 4 centimeter, with this 3 centimeter, and this should be the hypotenuse. Now I have drawn a base. So now I have drawn this base. Okay, from here I need to take 90 degree. This base should be 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. To take from here 90 degree, look here the step I'm following. I'll draw an arc here to this line extended. To this line extended like this. After drawing that arc, what I'll do is after drawing that arc, I will take an arc from this and this. Let me mark with another color because you might be something. From this point and this point you take an arc here like this. When you join your line to that line, your this one to that line, you'll get 90 degree exactly. Let's name those points. This is A, this is B. Okay, rough this. This should be 90 degree. You should understand how did I did. It's very easy. After making this 90 degree, you need to take 4 centimeter from here to here. 4 centimeter because this is 4 centimeter. Right. To take that 4 centimeter, what I'll do is you measure with your scale 4 centimeter. Very simple. Somewhere it may be meeting here is C 4 centimeter. C 4 centimeter. And then after this you join your B to that C join, and BC is your hypotenuse. AC is 4 centimeter, AB is 3 centimeter. In here AC 4 centimeter, C 4 centimeter. And then after this you join your B to that C join, and BC is your hypotenuse. AC is 4 centimeter, AB is 3 centimeter. This is the required right triangle. Now we need to draw a triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 of this triangle. Okay, it should be 5 by 3 of this triangle. Corresponding sides of this triangle 5 by 3. Let me rough this and I'll do again. That is, okay, let me take line. This was our triangle. Taking this one 90 degree and this one. This was a triangle A, B, C. You know the measurement of all, right? This is 90 degree, this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. After that, they are 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of this triangle. So the numerator is greater than the denominator. Since the numerator is greater than the denominator, the triangle which we are to construct should be greater than this triangle. So from A, I'll take a ray as we used to do before. I'll take a ray like this. AX. I'll mark 5 points on this ray because 5 is greater among 5 and 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. After marking 5 points, I'll name these points. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, and this is A5. After this, you join your A3 to B because it is in the ratio 5 by 3, right? So 3 should be joined with B. After this, you extend your line AB. Next step, extend your line AB, join A3 to B, and then you make an arc at A3. With that same measurement, make an arc at A5, and then you measure the distance from this point to this point, and then you make an arc at A5 with that measurement. After that, you join your A5 to that arc. You'll get a line which is parallel to AB. It should be something like this. Is it fine? It should be something like this. After this, what you will do is you extend your line AC, and by the same procedure make an arc at angle B. With that same measurement, make an arc here. Measure the distance from here to here and you make an arc. After that you join your this, let's name this point as B dash. You joined your B dash to that point, to that arc point in the middle, and then you'll get a line which is parallel to BC. Make your line exactly, you'll get a line which is parallel to BC like this. Name that point as C dash. Now your required triangle is AB dash C dash. This is 90 degree. Okay, now here I've given the notes. Step 1, to draw a line segment and then draw a ray essay making 90 degree with it. As yes, I have done this just now. You can take the screenshot of this, and if you didn't understand, ask me personally. Okay.